Tromina Kapoor, and for today's video, I thought why not do something different and film a spring haul video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell. Once you turn on my post notifications, make sure you scroll down to the comments and comment down with your Instagram or Musical.ly usernames, and at the end of each video on my YouTube, I will be shouting you guys out. And one last thing before I start showing you what I got for the spring haul, make sure you guys go and check me out on Instagram, on Musical.ly, and on Snapchat, which are all at Tromina Kapoor. I've been shopping for spring for the past like 3 weeks, but I've never gotten a chance to just sit down and film a spring haul. So you might have seen some of this stuff on my Instagram or on my Musical.ly or even on my YouTube channel. So first, let's start with Amazon. So from Amazon, I got 4 casual shirts. So one of them I'm wearing right now, it says Queen, and I am just in love with the color and I'm just in love with the print. So the second shirt says every day should be Women's Day, and I just love the print, and it's just so perfect for spring just because it is actually like a casual black shirt, but it also has like this really pretty pink color as the print, and I just love this shirt. And you know, we all agree, Women's Day should be every single day. The third shirt I got is this really pretty red shirt, but it's so simple, and I feel like this shirt is gonna be so cool for gym. And last but not least, I got this really pretty green t-shirt for gym, and it says just another gym shirt. It is perfect for gym, or it is perfect for every day too, because like, you know, when you go out and it says just another gym shirt, and people will be like, oh my gosh, this person actually goes to the gym every single day. Get this shirt. Because these 4 shirts are my favorite things that I got for this haul. I will be guys linking them in the description so you guys can also go and check them out and maybe get one for yourself. So let's move on to Forever 21. So the first thing that I got from Forever 21 is this really pretty simple white crop top. I am just in love how simple it is and how cute it looks with a bralette underneath. So I got this crop top for $7.90 US. So the next thing that I got is this really pretty red crop top, and I got it because of the color. It just reminds me of roses, red roses, oh my gosh. And this cost me $10.90. So the next thing that I got is this really pretty bodysuit. I am not sure how to call this fabric. I think it's like an open work fabric. Don't know. You can wear this under a cropped sweater or cropped hoodie, and it just adds the most beautiful detail in the whole world. Well, maybe not, but it's beautiful. It really is. And the price of this was $9. So the next thing that I got are these super cute shorts, and they are just so cute that they remind me of my childhood. The color and the stripes and the bow. It's just so adorable. These shorts cost me only $17.90. So the next thing that I got is this really pretty camouflage skirt. I got it because I think it's really perfect for spring, and also you can pair it up with some shirts like these. And this skirt cost me $17.90. So the next thing that I got are these really cool sweatpants. I've been seeing these kind of sweatpants all around Instagram, all around Musical.ly, all around YouTube, and I was like, why not get them when I saw them in Forever 21? And these sweatpants also cost me $17.90. The thing that I got are these super pretty cute earrings, and they just reminded me of spring, and that's why I got them. And these earrings cost me only $3.90. Last but not least, if I'm not forgetting anything else, I got these really pretty boots, and I thought they were gonna be really perfect for rainy spring days and just wear them with skirts and mini dresses and whatever you want. And these shoes cost me $27.90. So now let's move on to Abercrombie & Fitch and American Eagle. I only got one item for each of the stores because I don't really see what else I could buy, because I don't really like anything else. So from Abercrombie & Fitch, I got the most beautiful dress that I've ever, I think, owned. It's just so flowy and it's just so spring-like, and this dress cost me $58. And from American Eagle, I got this really cool ripped light pink mini skirt. I just realized that I own a lot of pink clothes. Wow. And this skirt cost me $54.95. The store that I went to was Hollister. So the first dress that I got from Hollister is this, Okay. So the first dress that I got from Hollister is this black and white dress. It looks really simple, but when you put it on, it just looks so amazing and beautiful. I got this dress for $39.95. So the next dress that I got from Hollister is this white dress, and it looks really pretty in the front, and again it looks really perfect on the body, and this dress cost me $49.95. So the last dress that I got is this really pretty dark blue with some flower details dress. It has straps, but it also has sleeves, so your shoulders are gonna be open, and it just looks really perfect for the springtime. And this dress cost me $49.95. So the next thing that I got is this cropped hoodie. It is in a light pink, and it has the Hollister logo in the front, and it has the same exact detailing as my sweatpants do. I did not realize it at first when I got these two, but then when I got home and I was like, oh my gosh, they literally look the same except the colors. My sweatpants look a little pinker than this, but what can I do? And this cropped hoodie cost me $39.95. And here goes the next pink thing. I promise you, pink is not my favorite color. My favorite color is actually blue, but you know, I don't know what happened to me that day. So it is this really cool graphic t-shirt that says Hollister, California all over it, and it is oversized. You can tie it in the front just like I did with this shirt, or just leave it like that. This shirt cost me $24.95. And last but not least, I got this really pretty jacket. It is ripped and it has flower details, and I thought because I got so many mini dresses in Hollister, why not get a jacket for them? And this jacket cost me $69.95. So the next store that I went to was Aeropostale. So from Aeropostale, I got only 2 jumpsuits. I really liked the print of one of them, and from the second one, I just really liked the style. And also they were both on sale, so I was like, that is perfect. So the first jumpsuit looks like this. I really like the bottom though. It has these little cute pom-poms, and they just add the most cute detail ever. And the second jumpsuit that I got is this one. I don't really own anything like this, so it was really interesting for me to get it, and I thought it was really pretty, and it just really fits me well. So because the first one was 50% off and the second one was 60% off, the first one I got for $29, and the second one cost me $23.80. So one of the last things that I got for spring are these 2 hats. This is a Puma hat, and this is an Adidas hat, and this one cost me $18, and this one I believe I don't have the receipt anymore because I already started wearing this hat. I believe it was $12 or something like that. So last but not least, I got these crazy Nike shoes. So I am really excited to wear these on like a sunny day, and I'm pretty sure everyone is gonna be like, oh my gosh, I love your shoes. And these shoes cost me $60. And this is it for this spring haul video. So this week's shout out goes to Stephanie for turning on my post notifications on here. Thank you so much, Stephanie, for turning on my post notifications and subscribing to me. I love you so much. And if you also guys want a shout out, as I said in the beginning of this video, make sure you guys turn on my post notifications and comment done, and put your Musical.ly or Instagram username so I can shout you out on my next video. If you guys really liked watching this video, make sure you guys give this a like, and if you guys want me to film more these kinds of videos, make sure you guys go to the comments and comment what I should do next on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!